The following video is a MYFORD cylindrical grinder. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and start by turning the spindle on. Spindle's up and running. Now we're going to turn the work head on. Get those running. Now we're going to turn the hydraulics on. Start the table. We can control the table speed. Right now, there we go. We'll start slower. We'll go faster. Slow it back down again. All right. We get our head. We get our retract. Advance. Now we've got the feed turned on. We'll go ahead and activate it. We're now feeding.
You selected the left side feed, so every time the table will go to the left side, it will feed. And you can vice versa switch to the right side, where it will feed on the right hand side.
Well, switch it. Switch it so it now feeds from the right. Stop the feed. Stop the table. Emergency stop to the head. And hydraulics off.
Again, the following video is a MYFORD cylindrical grinder.